today I am going to illustrate this simple floral abstract design. As you can see, the smooth background and the texture and the floral work is looking so good, but it is looking difficult, where it is actually not. So watch the complete video so that you can get an idea how you can make the background so smooth and how you can create some textures and how you can easily create this floral. This is going to be very fun. I'm going to use this brush for blending and somewhere to create the texture with the sponge and knife obviously, and this floral. Check out from Amazon. If you are new to my channel, please watch other videos and subscribe to my channel if you really like and you think you can learn something from me. I'm always here to help you out. Thank you. I prefer to use canvas cloth over paper sheets, so I began with the gesso instead of white texture white and lighter shades like teal and transitional color, also blue for the surrounding. Normally what happens, texture colors dried up so soon, so acrylics are mean to be dried up so soon, but when you use the poster colors or gesso along with it, it dries little late. When you go for minimalistic abstract works or something like this, then keep the lighter shade like white and all in the between, in the center, and surrounding you can make it dark so that it looks like a white lighting in the center. Once done with the background, you can wait for the first layer to get dried out or you can start directly. When you are going for the textures, use some vibrant colors, opposite colors for that matter, like I'm using green, vermilion and yellow for here to create some shadow works and some textures like backgrounds and all for the floral. To be frank, painting only this much is also trending, so you can stop right here as well without adding any florals, or you can add florals here only. It looks good when the outer edges blend with the background, so I thought of adding an sponge work here to create some blending with the background so that it looks like a shadow works also. So I just added here and there, I did some textures, so it was not looking good. So it's obviously a trial and error work, so we have to correct it by adding some more darker shades in the bottom darker shades give something like shadow works. So the sprinkle was not working, so I cleaned up, so it was not looking good. Somehow I was not so satisfied, and this happens with when you're painting some abstract work. So I decided to create some other shades, so I started adding darker shades for the bottom layer. Let's use knife to create some more textures. So I just painted teal and dark blue and created some texture like a leaf designs. The bottom was not that great, so I just started blending them. That looks good when it gets blended and creates some texture. So I started adding more of blue again, and I created some more textures just as a background. So not completely blending, I kept some textures here and there. I used teal and other things so that it looks like a watery, the river kind of structure. So just a simple blending. as the last addition, so I just added few florals, keeping very simple, like very less florals will help you to focus on it. So uh, just added by dripping into the white, and I just added. So when you blend, when you put some pressure on it, it blends with the background texture. So since we have added the gesso, it creates smooth texture and without drying out other textures. So it was like multiple colored painting. So little scratches here and there, and some other stuffs you can add when you're creating it. Abstract is a study of so many things. So never restrict yourself from doing anything. So you can control yourself and stop painting the second half, and you can stop the initial also. Many famous artists do that. So that also looks very beautiful when you are painting some floral works. It creates other stuffs also, like background and some complicated tangled things in the background. These things you can add. It's your completely, it's your choice, and that is up to your satisfaction. So when you are satisfied, then just stop it and create some other stuffs also. So hope this was helpful. Just create some texture and other things and enjoy creating. I hope you enjoyed the process. This was very simple, right? So create something like this and share with me so that I can feature your works in upcoming